Hello everyone, I'm Leo from Single-Handedly Made. This is a very short follow-on from the video I made explaining why I decided to change my dust extraction within the workshop. As you may remember, if you're a long-term follower, I had the more traditional style dust collection from Axminster with the collection bag that was literally driving me insane. I didn't get on with it for many reasons, the most notable being trying to put the bag back on it. It would take me forever, even trying the likes of the magnet trick, and put me in a bad mood for the rest of the day. Hence the change over to the Record Power CamVac with no infuriating collection bag. And as you can see here, I opted for the triple motor 200 litre model. Since then, I've lost count the number of times I've been asked, how do I empty this, and have I just replaced one bad problem with another? Anyway, moving on, the first step is to disconnect the exhaust port hoses and the ducting pipe. Then I move the CamVac into the centre of the workshop as it gives me a little bit more space. The top section that houses the triple motor and filters is then removed, leaving me with just the drum and the optional wheelbase that allows me to transport it out of the workshop. It is quite a high step down, but if I stand the opposite end to the workshop, I can reach over to the handle and guide it down to ground level. As you can see at the top of the drum, it houses a filter bag that does get very dusty, hence me closing the workshop door and using my Trend AirShield Pro face mask. The filter bag is taken to the bottom of the garden and given a thorough shake. Then on to emptying the drum, and you must use heavy duty bin bags. Don't ask me how I know how. I've tried loads of different ones from various supermarkets and general stores, and these are the best I've found, and they're available on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. As you can see, the method is very simple. I place the bin bag over the top of the drum and simply lower it down before tilting it at the bottom, allowing the wood chips to dispense into the bin bag. The way things have been with the business recently, and with me using predominantly rough sawn timber, I've been emptying this around 2 to 3 times a week. I need 2 bin bags, the second being much easier to fill. It just requires a few tilts and the drum is emptied. This method works well for me. You might find it a little fiddly, but it is nothing compared to my previous machine. All I need to do now is reattach the other components and we're good to go again. I hope this has finally answered your question, and you might even end up trying this method yourself. As ever everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.